Let's learn how you can install PlayStation app on iPhone in any country by skipping restrictions. So let us open our app store. As you can see here, I will show you that I already have PlayStation app. So here it is, and how you can make it. So the first step is to open App Store, then click to your profile picture in top right corner. So this will open your account settings. Now we want to go to your iCloud. And here you will see this option country/region. So press right here. Now you want to select which country you want to transfer to. I am on Germany because it has a lot and it has every new feature that comes out. So that should be the best one. You can also choose, for example, United States or Great Britain or something like that. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.